Okay, now go to question number 11. Go to question number 11. I'll give you 10 minutes. Go to question number 11. I'll give you 10 minutes. Start it now. Question number 11. Do soon. Start soon. So definitely for your term test paper, there will be partial fraction question, remainder theorem, factor theorem question. Definitely there will be remainder theorem, factor theorem proof. Okay, continue. I'll give you 10 minutes. Start it now. Question number 11, part A, state and prove factor theorem. When x minus a is a factor of polynomial function, fx, then fa equals 0. fa equal x minus a times f, x equal x minus a pi x. Define pi x. Pi x a polynomial. Function of x. fa equal, let x equal a, fa equal a minus a pi a equals 0. fa equals 0. That is factor theorem. Okay, continue. Then part B, 2x square 3px minus 2q and x square plus q, here both contain a common factor x minus a. x minus a common factor. It is linear one. Then you just apply factor theorem, that's it. Your common factor. Then by factor theorem, substitute x equals a 2a square 3pa plus minus 2q. 0, first one, a square plus q equals 0, second relation. Now in the third relation, we don't have p, ap square plus 16q ne, ap square 16q. Then remove a square equal q. Two x square 3px minus 2q. Substitute a 2a square 3pa minus 2q. Okay, a square equal minus q. Here 2 a square mean minus q, 3pa minus 2q 0. 2q 4q, 3pa 4q equals 0. 3pa equal 4q. Then here 9 p square a square 16q squared, 16q square. Then a square equal minus q, a square equal minus q, 9p square q, 16q squared. Then cancel 1q. Then 9p square plus 16q equals 0. That is not ap square, 9p square plus 16q equals 0. paq non-zero, and then you can cancel q not equals 0. Complete. 9 එතන a නෙවෙයි තියෙන 9 නා correct කරගන්න. Complete. Okay, then part C, partial fraction part. 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1 partial fractions. Here x plus 1 minus x minus 1 over 2 x minus 1 x plus 1. Then you can cancel x, 2 divided by 2, 1. Then separate denominator, x plus 1, 2x minus 1, x minus 1, 2, here x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1. Then cancel the factor, cancel. 1 over 2 x minus 1, 1 over 2 x plus 1. Here are the partial fractions. Partial fractions. Then write x plus 2 square in terms of x minus 1, or the function of x minus 1. So you rewrite this one, x minus 1 plus 3, like this. Then square. Now write binomial x minus 1 square 6 x minus 1 plus 9. Here function of x minus 1 or in terms of x minus 1. Here in terms of x, no, expansion comes with in terms of x. Now here in terms of x minus 1 or function of x minus 1. From the above results, write x plus 2 square, x plus 2 square, x minus 1 square, x plus 2 as partial fractions. Then here this one write x minus 1 square, 6x minus 1 plus 9, x minus 1 square, x plus 2. Now separate denominator, x minus 1 square, x minus 1 square, x plus 2 plus 6 x minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2 plus 9 x minus 1 square, x plus 2. Now simplify. Then 1 over x plus 2, 6 over x minus 1, x plus 2 plus 9 over x minus 1, 1 over x minus 1, x plus 2. Because we know partial fractions of 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1. Then put that one here. 1 over x plus 2, 6, 1 over 2 x minus 1, 1 over 2, එතන partial fraction එක ගන්නත් තියෙන x minus 1 square x plus 1 න x plus 1 කරගන්න. X not x plus 2 x plus 1. X plus 1 9 1 over 2 x minus 1, 1 over 2 x plus 1. Now 1 over x plus 2, 3 over x minus 1, 3 over x plus 1, 9 over 2 x minus 1, x minus 1 square, 9 over 2, 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, here x plus 1, no? X plus 1, x plus 1. 1 over x plus 1, here 3 over x minus 1, 3 over x plus 1, 9 over 2 x minus 1 square, 9 over 2 x minus 1, x plus 1. Again we know x minus 1, x plus 1 factors. Na? Then put that one here. 3 over x minus 1, 2 over x plus 1, 9 over 2 x minus 1 square, 9 over 2. Instead of this, put 1 over 2 x minus 1 minus 1 over 2 x plus 1. මේවා general partial fraction නෙවෙයි අපි මේවා practice කරා. General ඒවා නෙවෙයි. Then final answer. Here 9 over 4. 9 over 4 plus 3. 3 9 minus 9 over 4. Three over 4 x minus 1. Here x plus 1, 9 over 4 minus 2, 1 over 4. X plus 1, 9 over 2, x minus 1 squared. Here are the partial fractions. By this one, you have capacity to deduce the partial fractions of required relations. Okay. Okay, complete that. That is question number 11. Okay, check simplification. Then go to question number 12. Go to question number 12. I'll give you a little time to start that. Question number 12. Okay, start it now. මේ variable change එක අහනවම තමයි හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ මේ deduce කරන part එක හැම වෙලේම අහයි. අපි partial fractions කරද්දි තව technique කීපයක් කරා special points. ඒවා ටික බලලා තියාගන්න. මොකද ඒවම තමයි අහන්නේ. අර general තැනම නෙවෙයි අහන්නේ. general තැන අපිට exam එකේ අහන්නේ. අනිත් තැන් ටික special term test වලට අහනවා. කියන්නේ ඔයාලා හිර කරන්න කියලා හිතාගෙන. එහෙම හිතාගෙන ඉන්න teachers නේ. Okay, question number 12. Take it. Okay, then question number 12, part A. First one, find domain and range of the function fx 3 over 2x minus 1. Take y 3 over 2x minus 1. Then domain, possible x values, all real values possible without half. Then remove half. Denominator zeros must be eliminated. Then to find range, subject x, 2x minus 1, 3 over y. Then x equal 3 over y plus 1. Then x 3 plus y over 2 y. Then range, possible y values, real values possible but 0 impossible. Here range, real value without 0. Domain, real value without half. Remember, for rational type, denominator zeros must be eliminated. That's it. So when finding range, you subject x. Then check the expression. Then second part, fx x over x square minus 1 whole thin root. Then find domain, just only domain, no? Then x minus 1, x plus 1, we have factor here. Then x not equal minus 1 and plus 1. Remove denominator zeros. And x over x minus 1, x plus 1 must be greater than or equal 0. Here remove denominator zeros and within square root must be non-negative. That is the technique, no? Then you evaluate this inequality. We know how to evaluate rational type, no? Here denominator 0 value 0. Here 0 values 1 and minus 1. Equality we have, equality only possible with 0 because the other two denominator zeros eliminate. Then start with right hand upper corner. Then plus, plus, minus, minus. All things must be positive. Here positive and positive. Therefore domain, we say real values, that real value in between minus 1 to 0 with 0 union x greater than 1, not equal to 1. Here domain means possible x values. So here the relation, we have square root relation, we have denominators. Remove denominator zeros, within square root values must be greater than or equal 0. That is second part. Continue. Continue. Then 12 part B. 12 part B. Here function, here this notation, function fx equal relation. Na? Don't worry about that notation. That is fx given. Fx equal කියන එක තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Then x not equal minus b of a. f0 minus 2. Then substitute 0. 2 over b equal minus 2, b value minus 1. f2 equal to, here a times 2, two a plus b equal 1. Then b equal minus 1. Then 2a minus 1, 1, a equal 1. A equal 1, b equal minus 1. Find AB. Find the x values of such that fx equal x. That means we need to solve the equation. Then fx equal x. Fx function here 2. A mean 1. B mean minus 1. Then cross multiply. X square minus x. X square minus x minus 2, 0. X, x 2, 1 minus plus. Then here we have two possible values, x equal minus 1 or x equal 2. X equal minus 1 or x equal 2, both possible. Then third part, show that fp, f minus p, here left hand side, fp, f minus p. fp mean replace p by x by minus p. Your function fx na, then fx, a value 1, then 2 over x minus 1 na, b value minus 1. The fp mean 2 over p minus 1, f minus p mean replace x by minus p minus 1. 2 over p minus 1 minus 2 over p plus 1. Then get common denominator, p minus 1, p plus 1, 2p plus 2, 2p plus 2, here minus common, 4p over p square minus 1. Then here 2 times 2p over p square minus 1. Then we say here fx no, then here fp squared. Here 2p fp squared. අතන 2 නෙවෙයිනේ 2p කියලා එකක් එනවානේ. check it again. නෑ මෙතන 4 විතරයිනේ. okay. 2 into fp squared. Okay, that is part B. Continue. ඔයාලට මේ ෆන්ක්ෂන්ස් වල නොටේෂන්ස් වල අයිඩියා එක තියෙනවා නම් හරි ඒකයි බේසික් පොයින්ට්ස් තියෙන කීපයයි. ඩොමේන්, රේන්ජ්, ෆන්ක්ෂන් of a function, inverse functions, even function not function. ඔවනේ අපිට තියෙන පොයින්ට්ස් ටික තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට ඒවට කරන්න ඕනේ වැඩ ටිකත් බලුවා නම් හරි ඒක කරගෙන යන්න. Okay. Then part C. Part C. there are two functions fx and gx. Here fx x over 1 plus 2x given x not equal half minus half. Gx x square minus 2. Define f for gx. F or gx. F or g. Here function of function, this means f within bracket gx. That means in function fx you replace x by gx. Here function fx replace x by gx. Then we know gx, put it here again, x square minus 2 to x square minus 2. Then x square minus 2, 2x square minus 3. Here f for gx, f for gx. That is function of function. F or gx mean in function fx replace x by gx. Okay. Then f inverse x. F inverse. We know how to find inverse. You subject x, then replace x by y and y by x. That's how we find inverse. Then y equal x over here fx, no? 1 plus 2x. You subject x, y, 2xy equal x. 2x, x minus 2xy equal y. Then take x outside, 1 minus 2y, y. Then x equal y over 1 minus 2y. Then replace x by y and y by x. Then y equal x over 1 minus 2x. X over 1 minus 2x. Then same expression, no? Same expression. Y equal x over 1 plus 2x. X, here y, 2xy, x. Take the other side, y, here plus, no? Plus, different expression. Now, here inverse function, we call inverse. So definitely, in your term test paper, there will be function of function part. And finding inverse function we have. Then, if you need to find inverse, you subject x, thereafter replace x by y and y by x. That's it. Replace x by y and y by x. Okay. Then f for f, third part. F for f mean within f function you put another fx. Then here fx function replace x by fx. Here fx to fx. Instead of x put fx again. We know fx, put it again, x, 1 plus 2x, 1, 2, x, 1 plus 2x, simplify, x over 1 plus 2x plus 2x. Then x over 1 plus 4x. Here f or f, f for f, function of function. මෙතන මෙතන තව මිස් එකක් තියෙනවානේ. එතන හරි. Okay, then you move to question number 13. Move to question number 13, coordinate geometric action. Take time. Okay. මෛත්‍රී ටික ඉක්මනට කරගෙන යන්න ගන්නවා. Question number 13. Question number 13 part A, obtain an expressions for distance between 2 points. Here x-axis, y-axis, point P x1, y1, point Q x2, y2. Here PR distance y2 minus x2 minus x1 modulus, RQ distance y2 minus y1 modulus. Therefore, by the Pythagorean theorem, PQ square equal PR square plus QR square. Then x2 minus x1 modulus square, y2 minus y1 modulus square. The modulus square you can neglect modulus. x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square, root. That's how we get distance formula. That's how we get distance formula. That is part A. Part B, show that the point minus 6/7, 0 is on the median AD which passes through the point A of triangle ABC. Here triangle ABC, say A, BC, point A 2, 4, point B minus 2, 3, point C 1, minus 2. The median AD, here midpoint, no? Here D. Then point D, here midpoint, minus 2 plus 1/2, 3 minus 1/2. Then minus half plus half. Here point D. Here take the point E, the given one, minus 6/7, comma 0. We need to show that these three are collinear. That means on same line, no? Collinear. We know condition. If m gradients are same, then we say they are collinear. Yeah, then you check gradient of AE, MAE, y difference of x difference. 4 minus 0, 2 minus 6 over 7. Simplify 4, 2 plus 6 over 7. Here 7 over 5. Then MED, y difference of x difference. Here d point 0 minus half. Minus 6 over 7 minus half. Simplify. Minus half. 6 over 7. 1 over 2. Simplify. Here 7 into put upstairs, cancel 2, 7. Minus 6 minus 12 plus 7. Then 7 over 5. We get 7 over 5. Therefore, MAE equal MED. Therefore, AED are collinear. That means E is on AD. E is on AD. E is on AD. Also, if the point A comma B is on the median AD, find the relationship between AB. Then here there's another point A comma B. So now says that they are collinear. So when collinear, take point E, here F, MAF, MAD. So when they are collinear, gradient same. Now you can get a relation. 4 minus B, 2 minus A. AD gradient, AD gradient. Then 4 minus half, 2 minus half. 4 minus B, 2 minus A, 7 or 5. Here the relation 7A minus 5B equal minus 7. Find relationship between A and B. Find length of each side of the triangle then. Do up to that. Do up to that. එතන පස්සේ මේ E point එකක් ගැන කියනවා. මේක E කියලා ගත්තේ නැතුණත් හොඳයි. මොකද පස්සේ E point එකක් අහපව කියනවා. ඒ හින්දා මේක වෙන point එකක් ගන්න. G වගේ ගන්න. Okay, then need to find length of the sides. AB, distance formula, x difference square, y difference square, all thin root 17 units. BC, x difference square plus y difference square root. That is 4 root. AC, x difference y difference here 1 6 37. AB, x difference 2 minus 2 16, 4 minus 3 1 square 16 17. BC 3 square 9, 5 square 25 34. AC 2 minus 1 1 square 4 6 37 37 root. Then need to identify the type of the triangle. Okay. All sides are different. No? All sides are different. A point E on the median AD such that AE to ED 2 to 1. AE to ED 2 to 1. Find coordinate of point E. Here point A 2, 4. Point D minus half plus half. AE to ED 2 to 1. Here 2 to 1. Then point T, use section formula. 2 times minus half plus 1 times 2, 2 plus 1, 2 times plus half, 1 times 4, 2 plus 1. One third, 5/3. Here point E, point T. Internal division point theorem. ඔයාලට coordinate geometric action එක ගොඩක් simple වෙන්නේ ඔය theory ටික එහෙට මෙහෙට කරන්න විතරයි තියෙන්නේ geometry එක දිහා බලලා. Okay, then part C question. Three to the power 2x plus 1, 26 times 3 to the power x minus 90. Here I 3 times 3 to the power x to the power 2, 26 3 to the power x 90. We call here exponential equation. So that also can be in your term test paper. Then let substitution 3 to the power x equal t, then 3t square minus 26t minus 90. Then factorize 3t t 9 1 minus plus 0. 3t square 26, okay, t minus 1/3 or t 9. T mean 3 to the power x equal minus 1/3. This cannot happen because 3 to the power x always positive. Then forget it. 3 to the power x 9. Here 3 square x equal to, by equating indices, x value 2. That is 13 part C. Then you try question number 14. Question number 14 එක කරන්න. Okay, question number 14. Check your answers. Question number 14, part A. Take right hand side. Log C base B over log C base A as T. Log C base B T log C base A log C base B log C base A to the power T. Then cancel this base by taking anti-log A to the power T. Then again subject T log A base B. Then log A base B equal log C base B over log C base A. Log C base B over log C base A. Logarithms. Hence deduce here log 2 base 5 log 5 base 7 log 7 base 2. Then write log C base 5 log C base 2 log C base 7 log C base 5 C base 2 C base 7. Simplify, that is 1 equal to right hand side. Then part B, log m base 10 log n base 10 here 2 log 10 base 10 log n base 10. මෙතන 10 නෙවෙයි m වෙන්න ඕන. m base 10, otherwise it's useless now. Then you better to get common base 1 over log 10 base m 1 over log 10 base n 1 over log 10 base m 1 over log 10 base n, like this. Get common denominator, or otherwise you just multiply here. By this term you multiply, then cancel these two. Log 10 base n 10 base n log 10 base, here addition means multiplication, mn, then mn equal 10 square equal 100, mn equal 100. Then second part, 2 log x base a log ax base a 3 log a square x base a0. Need to solve this. Need to solve. Then 2 over log a base x 1 over log a base ax 3 over log a base a squared x 0. Now in logarithms the basic technique is to write in single term, single base. ඒක තමයි අපේ normal කතාව. හරිද? එතනට ගෙනිච්චන හරි ඉස්සෙල්ලා. Okay. Now here 2 log a base x, here multiplication mean addition, log a base a log a base x 3 over log a base a square log a base x 0. Then here 2 log a base a. Log a base a mean 1. Here 1, here 1. Now let log a base x equal t. Then 2 over t, 1 over 1 plus t, 1 plus t, 3 over 1. Here 2 plus t 0. Now find t. Find t. 2t plus 1, 2 plus t, t 2 plus t, 3t 1 plus t 0. T square 3t plus 2, 2t plus t square, 3t plus 3t square 0. Then 2, 3, 6, 6t square, 60, 8t, 11t, 60, 9, 11, 4. Then 60 square, 11t plus 4. Then check whether we have factors. 3t, 2t, 4, 1, plus, plus. We have factors 6t square, 11t, 4. T equal 4 over 3 minus or t equal minus half. Then t mean log a base x minus 4/3 log a base x minus half. Then x equal a to the power minus 4/3 a to the power minus half. We have two possible values for x. Two possible values for x. Then part C, log a base b, the left hand side, log b base a. Then log a base b, 1 over log b base a, cancel equal to 1. ඔයාලට ප්‍රූව් කරන්න කියලා තිබුණොත් තමයි ලොකු ස්ටෙප් එක හරීම ප්‍රූෆ් එක ඕනේ. ෂෝ කරන්න තිබුණොත් normal theory අපේ apply කර කර ගියා හැකි. හරිද? ප්‍රූව් කරන්න තිබුණොත් හරියටම ප්‍රූව් කරන මෙතඩ් එකටම ඕනේ. හරිද? ප්‍රූව් කරන්න මෙතඩ් එකක් තියෙනවනේ ඒකට. Then last part, 1 over log 1 base 2025, 1 over log 2 base 2025, 1 over log 3 base 2025. It goes like that. 1 over log 2025 base 2025. Then take upstairs. Log 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 2025 2025. Method log 1 means 0. Log 1 means 0. Then same base addition, write as multiplication. Log 2025 base 2 into 3 into 4 2025. 2025 base, here we say this one 2025 factorial. 1 to n product n factorial. මෙතන 1 නැති වුණාට අවුලක් නැහැ එතන. Then 2025 factorial. Take that equal to right hand side. That is question number 14. Complete. හරි. බලන්න මේ පේපර් එකේ පොඩි correction දෙක තුනක් තියෙනවා. Question number 15 එක. Question number 15 part B. Hence obtain කියලා තියෙන line එකක් තියෙන්නේ. Question number 15 part B. ඒකේ beta angle එක තියෙන range එක හරියට complete දීලා නැහැ. beta angle එකේ range එක pi to 3pi/2 වෙන්න ඕනේ. beta angle in between මෙතන මේ කැලල print නැත්තේ. මෙන්න මෙතන හදාගන්න. ඒකේ second line එකේ find the value of sin alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta තියෙන්නේ. sin alpha minus beta කරගන්න. Find the value of sin alpha minus beta. Sin alpha plus beta and sin alpha minus beta. හරි. අපි පොඩි රෙස්ට් එකක් ගමු. හවස එකක් තියෙනවා සාමාන්‍ය විදිහට. මේකේ කොහොමවත් ප්‍රශ්න තුනක් ඩිස්කස් කරන්නත් තියෙනවා. අපි කොහොමවත් ඒක ඉවර කරලා දාමු. ඒ අතරේ දැන් මෙතන sin rule cosine rule පාර්ට් එකෙත් පොඩි එකක් තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට ස්පෙෂල් කියන්න ඕනේ තැන් දෙකක් එතනක් තියෙනවා. ඒ හින්දා මේ ඒකයි ට්‍රිගනොමෙට්‍රි පාර්ට් එකයි මම ඉවර කරලා දෙන්නම්.